LCD. Now this LCD is basically over 1, because we know that everything is basically over 1, and that will be over 1. Okay, I hope I'm not confusing anyone. Please let me know if I am later on in the group chat. Okay, now can you see that this x plus 1 and this x plus 1 are going to cancel out? It's going to cross multiply. Can you see that? Now you've got x minus 2 times x plus 2. So let's distribute this. Okay, we're going to have x times x, which will give you x squared. Then we're going to have x times 2, which will give you plus 2x, minus 2 times x will give you minus 2x, and minus 2 plus 2 will give you minus 4. Then we've got, can you see that this x minus 2 and this minus x minus 2 is going to cancel out? Can you see that it's basically cross multiplying? Then we're left with minus 3 times x plus 1. So minus 3 times x will give you minus 3x. Minus 3 times 1 will give you minus 3. And then we've got x plus 1 and x plus 1 is going to cancel out. It's basically, this rule of cancelling out is basically this. Let's say you've got 3 over 6 times 6 over 3. Can you see that's the same thing here? We've got 1 over x plus 1 and x plus 1 over 1. So the 1 will be the 3, the x plus 1 will be the 6. Okay, the x plus 1, 6, 1, 3. Can you see that these will cancel out, these will cancel out, they cross cancel. Okay, so that's what we're doing here. I hope I'm not confusing. Okay, and now we're left with 1 times x minus 2, which will remain x minus 2. Now we can start solving, okay? So now we've got x squared plus 2 minus 2 will give you 0. Minus 3x will give you minus 3x. Minus 4 minus 3 will give you minus 7, which will give you x minus 2. Now let's move this x minus 2 to the other side. Okay, so we're going to have x squared minus 3x minus 7 minus x plus 2 will give you 0. Okay, now I want you to look at another thing. X is to the power of 2, which means we're going to have 2x answers. And when we're looking for 2x answers, it means therefore we're going to factorize. Okay, so that's your hint to factorize. So now how do we factorize this? Let's first actually simplify. We'll have x squared. We have minus 3x minus x will give you minus 4x, and then you got minus 7 plus 2 will give you minus 5 equals 0. Now we've got x times x will give you x